last episode, I said I was going to challenge my friend Shirley. Ready, Shirley?
Of course, I was born ready.
Let's do it. Welcome back to Nom Nom Kitchen, a special chapter of Fantastic Studio. I want something strong and wild and unbeatable and healthy.
Okay, let's do this.
What do you think, Shirley? Can you make this?
What's that? It's a lizard?
No, it's a crocamole.
Oh wow, that's a great movie snack for you and your family.
What do we need to make a crocamole?
Well, there are 3 simple steps. The head, the body, and its cover. For the head, you'll be needing the guacamole sauce.
Does it have to be yellow pepper?
I like yellow pepper because after it's baked, it's super sweet.
And for the body, you'll be needing... For additional ingredients, you can use...
To begin, we need to preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. And then we can start making the kale. So to start off, we're going to cut the leaves off the big stem. I'll show you once and then you can help me do it.
So kids are allowed to do this part?
Yes, just watch your fingers. We don't use this part, just the leaves. And then while Owen's cutting that, I'm going to chop these into bite-sized pieces. Good job. So we can make more. After this is ready, we are going to mix this with olive oil and salt.
To give it flavor after it's baked.
That's right. We're going to spread that onto the pan. And remember, we need to put this evenly so that it does not overlap. Perfect. That can go in the oven. While that's baking, we can start cutting the avocado. To do that, we'll cut this in half, and then we're going to take the seed out. A little trick is we're going to put this in and then give it a twist so it comes out like this. Now, can you spoon this in the bowl?
Beautiful.
Use a fork to mash it. And it doesn't need to be like a mashed potato. We kind of want some lumps with the avocado.
You don't need to use lemon, right?
We use it to prevent it from browning, and I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt. What should we add?
I like tomatoes in my guacamole.
What
You
else?
don't have to add this if you don't want to. It's just my personal choice. I like onions. Maybe bell pepper. You can pick whatever you want.
I like the pistachio.
And I think that's it.
Good. And then we can spoon this into the shell. And there, we got the head. Here comes the final part, which requires your kids' creativity.
This is my time to shine.
Let's start assembling the crocamole. This is the baked kale we made earlier. And then we can start off by assembling the body with sliced cucumbers. You can add in the eyes.
So I only need 2 for this.
Yeah. And we can use the grapes as the eyeballs.
Cut 1 in half.
Yeah. Then we can start adding the teeth.
For the carrots, which way should we assemble?
Like this. What else is missing?
The legs.
Yeah. That's about right.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. And lastly, the cover.
Kale.
Now it looks like a crocodile.
A crocamole.
Okay, there you have it. Well, crocamole.
It looks so good. I think yours looks different and better than mine.
So how much points would you rate it out of 10?
10 out of 10. I like it a lot.
Yay! So try creating this with your family and double the fun by tuning in to Fun Fat Friday every Friday at 8 p.m. I'm Shirley.
And I'm Owen.
Thank you for tuning in to Nom Nom Kitchen, a special chapter of Fantastic Studio.
Be sure to follow our Facebook page so you know when we'll be making more amazing treats only on Fox Family Movies.
See you next time.
Bye!